In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not opening. If you click the Word icon and nothing happens, or it briefly flashes and then disappears, the issue is often a permissions hiccup or a stuck background process. We'll walk through a quick reset that safely clears that state and gets Word launching again. First, try running Word as an administrator. This gives Word elevated permission just for this launch, which can help if Word needs to update settings or access files it normally can't. To do this, locate the Microsoft Word icon on your desktop taskbar or in your Start menu search results. Right-click the Word icon, then choose Run as Administrator. If you see a security prompt, confirm that you want to allow it. Give it a few moments. If Word opens, great. You can close it and then open it normally next time. If it still doesn't open, don't worry. We'll clear any stuck processes next. Now, open Task Manager directly with a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. Task Manager will appear. If it opens in compact view, switch to the fuller view so you can see all running apps and background processes. Look for Microsoft Word in the apps list. If you don't see it there, scroll down to Background Processes and look for entries named Microsoft Word or winword.exe. Select Microsoft Word, then click End Task. If there are multiple Word entries, end each one until none remain. This step force closes any hidden or frozen instance that can block new windows from opening. It won't affect your saved documents, but unsaved changes in a stuck session may be lost, so use this only when Word won't respond. With Word closed out completely, try opening it again normally. Click your regular shortcut or select it from Start. Because we cleared the frozen processes, Word should start fresh and load as expected. Give it a little time on the first launch after ending tasks, as it may rebuild its session. That's it. Running as administrator can solve permission-related launches, and ending the Microsoft Word task removes the invisible blocker that keeps the app from opening. After this reset, you should be able to get back to your documents without further delay. If the problem returns later, simply repeat these steps to clear it quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Word open again. If you found this useful, feel free to keep these steps handy for the next time an app refuses to launch.